Across the world's cities, from the neon-lit night markets of Bangkok to the lively plazas of Mexico City, a vibrant tradition thrives: street food. No matter where you go, the heartbeat of a city can be found in its open-air kitchens, where the air is thick with anticipation and the promise of something delicious lingers at every corner. This is where culture comes alive: sizzling sounds, bold aromas, and a rainbow of flavors, all served from humble carts and stalls. Each bite is a celebration of local ingredients and culinary creativity, transforming simple recipes into unforgettable experiences. Street food is more than a meal. It's a living story, a craft passed down through generations. Behind every dish is a family recipe, a memory, and a sense of pride that connects the past to the present. Here, everyone is welcome. A business person and a student might stand side by side, united by the promise of something delicious. Street food breaks down barriers, bringing together people from all walks of life to share a meal, a laugh, and a moment of connection. The appeal is universal, affordable, fast, and honest, with the chef's skill on full display. Every movement is practiced and precise, honed by years of experience and a deep love for the craft. There's no pretense, just food made with pride and shared with the community. Meals are served with a smile, and every customer is treated like family, whether they're a regular or a first-time visitor. Think of the diversity: Vietnam's crisp banh mi, India's tangy chaat, Colombia's golden arepas, each dish a testament to local ingenuity. Every country, every city has its own signature flavors shaped by history, geography, and the creativity of its people. These small, often family-run businesses are the heartbeat of local economies, preserving culinary heritage and creating social hubs. They offer more than just food. They offer a sense of belonging, a place where stories are shared and friendships are formed. For travelers, the real magic isn't in monuments, but in discovering a hidden food stall and tasting something extraordinary. It's about wandering down a narrow alley and stumbling upon a dish you'll remember for a lifetime. Street food vendors are ambassadors, storytellers, and artists, serving up history and hospitality with every plate. Their passion and personality are as much a part of the experience as the food itself. This is the true flavor of a place: authentic, accessible, and unforgettable. It's a taste that lingers long after the meal is over, inviting you to return again and again. Welcome to the world's greatest feast, right on our streets. Here, every meal is an adventure, and every street corner holds the promise of discovery. Behind the joy and excitement of street food, with its vibrant flavors and lively atmosphere, lies a growing problem: waste that is piling up in our cities and natural spaces. The convenience we love so much often comes wrapped in layers of single-use plastics and disposable packaging, designed to be used just once and then thrown away. A meal enjoyed in minutes leaves behind trash that lingers for centuries, polluting rivers, choking wildlife, and washing up on distant shores. Styrofoam boxes, plastic forks, and bags have become the silent companions to our quick bites, quietly accumulating in landfills and on our streets. This throwaway culture is a recent shift. Once, meals were served on banana leaves or reusable plates, creating little to no waste and honoring local traditions. In the past, communities found creative ways to serve food sustainably, using what was available and minimizing harm to the environment. Now, the production and disposal of packaging drains resources and energy, harming the planet at every stage, from manufacturing to waste management. Each discarded cup or container represents wasted water, energy, and raw materials, resources that could have been conserved or used more wisely. The system is linear: take, make, dispose, at odds with nature's circular ways, where nothing is wasted and everything has a purpose. We must rethink our habits and remember the sustainable traditions of the past, embracing solutions that reduce waste and protect our future. The true cost of convenience is paid by our environment long after the meal is gone, affecting wildlife, water, and the health of our communities. It's time to face the waste we leave behind and choose a path that nourishes both people and the planet. Beyond packaging, another issue haunts street food. Food waste. Vendors often over-prepare to avoid disappointing customers, leading to unsold food tossed away at day's end. Every wasted meal means wasted land, water, energy, and human effort. When food rots in landfills, it releases methane, a potent greenhouse gas fueling climate change. This isn't just an environmental issue, it's a moral one. As millions go hungry, while good food is discarded, the paradox is stark waste on one end, hunger on the other. Unsold food could nourish those in need, but the current system is inefficient and unjust. We must find smarter, more compassionate solutions. Reducing food waste is essential for a fairer, healthier world. The time for change is now. Change is happening. Around the world, street food vendors are leading a zero-waste revolution. These innovators prove that great food and sustainability can go hand in hand. In London, some food trucks have ditched single-use plastics, offering deposit return containers and refillable source stations. In the Philippines, vendors source ingredients from local sustainable producers, supporting both the environment and their communities. In India, juice vendors turn orange peels into cleaning powder and animal feed, seeing opportunity in every scrap. These pioneers show that sustainability is not a burden, but a powerful draw for customers. Their creativity is shaping a new, responsible street food culture. Let's follow a carrot's journey in a zero-waste kitchen. The vendor buys wonky carrots, saving them from waste at the farm. The carrot is washed, not peeled, preserving nutrients and flavor. Leafy tops become pesto or garnish, not trash. Grated carrot stars in a salad. Offcuts join a freezer bag for future broth. Only the tiniest scraps go to compost, returning nutrients to the soil. Every part is valued, closing the loop from farm to table and back again. This is the circular economy in action. No waste, just respect for every resource. Packaging is being reimagined by sustainable vendors. Many offer discounts for customers who bring their own containers, turning diners into partners in sustainability. Deposit return systems, inspired by Mumbai's Dabbawalas, keep reusable containers in circulation. When disposables are needed, vendors use compostable bowls made from palm leaves or bagasse, waste from sugarcane. In India, snacks are served in folded sal leaves. In Thailand, sweets are wrapped in banana leaves. These natural solutions are elegant, effective, and time-tested. Nature's packaging is making a comeback, reminding us that the best ideas are often the oldest. Together, we can ditch disposables and embrace smarter ways to serve food. Sustainable street food benefits more than the planet. It's better for us too. Vendors source locally, cutting food miles and supporting small farmers. Local, seasonal ingredients mean fresher, tastier, and more nutritious meals. Using whole ingredients, skins, tops, seeds, adds fiber and nutrients, reducing waste and boosting health. This approach reconnects us with our food, making every bite more meaningful. Eating sustainably isn't just good for the earth, it's good for our bodies. Zero-waste cooking creates meals that are vibrant, nourishing, and full of flavor. It's a win-win for people and planet. Sustainable street food strengthens community bonds. It reconnects eaters, cooks, and growers, restoring relationships lost in modern food systems. Vendors share stories, where the vegetables came from, who caught the fish, deepening our appreciation for each meal. This transparency builds trust and makes food taste even better. Street food is democratic, and sustainable practices keep it affordable and accessible. Resourceful cooking reduces costs, bringing farm-to-table values to everyone. Supporting these vendors is an investment in local economies and healthier ecosystems. Each meal is a vote for a better food culture, one rooted in respect and connection. The ripple effect can transform the industry one plate at a time. Together we can build a more connected, sustainable community. The future of our planet depends on our daily choices. Every meal we enjoy, every snack we grab on the go, is an opportunity to make a difference. The way we eat and the choices we make at food markets and street stalls can shape a healthier, more sustainable world for everyone. Sustainable street food shows that delicious, convenient, and eco-friendly meals are possible right now. These vibrant markets are proof that we don't have to sacrifice taste or tradition to protect the environment. With every bite, we can support a movement that values both flavor and the future. We all have a role. Seek out vendors using compostable packaging, supporting local suppliers, and reducing waste. Ask questions, support their efforts, and encourage others to do the same. Your curiosity and advocacy can inspire positive change in your community. And let your choices drive change. When you choose sustainable options, you send a powerful message that ripples through the food system. Bring the zero-waste mindset home. Use whole ingredients, compost scraps, and avoid single-use plastics. Small shifts in our kitchens can have a big impact, reducing landfill waste and supporting a circular food economy. Every small action adds up to a larger cultural shift. When communities come together, these habits become the new normal, inspiring others to join in. Street food is a global treasure, connecting people across cultures and continents. It's a celebration of diversity, creativity, and shared experiences, a testament to creativity and community. By embracing sustainability, we honor the traditions that bring us together while ensuring they endure. We ensure this tradition thrives for generations. Let's champion this change not just for ourselves, but for the future of our children and our planet. Together, we can create a feast that nourishes both people and planet, celebrating food that's good for us and the earth. The future is on our plates. Let's make it delicious, sustainable, and full of hope for generations to come.